Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So let's talk about major index where they gonna work for today. Okay guys, you can see that what happened is that it is continuously consolidating. Okay guys, right now it is act as a resistance. Okay guys, and right now it is acting as a support. Okay guys, here why I'm showing you these all are acting as support and resistance, because market will be today very much volatile, because all the whichever you can go and see index, world index, you can see that all index are open gap down only and closed also in uh, negative market. Okay guys, right now also what we can analyze is that if the market will open somewhere here, okay guys, take on a gap down or here somewhere, okay guys, it will take here resistance or here. Okay guys, I will just take here. Okay guys, this is your take resistance. Your first target will be here. Okay guys, second target, if once again it will take here resistance somewhere, first target and second target you can go for. Okay guys, after that it will take here somewhere resistance, then you can go for these target. Okay guys, what I am actually telling you is that if it opens somewhere here, then take from here resistance, then your first target and second target will be here, or it will opens very big gap down somewhere here at this place, then it will take resistance from here and come down. Okay guys, otherwise what happened is that if it open flat or something here, gap down, okay guys, it takes support here acting as a supporting, then you can go for your first target and second target. Okay guys, I will draw it to, then you can not have any confusion. If it will open somewhere here, okay guys, it will take support here. Okay guys, your first target and second target. Okay guys, once again it opens somewhere here. Okay guys, it will take support, then your first target will be here, second target will be this. Okay guys, or it will open somewhere here and take support from here, then your first target will be here, second target, and you can go for your third target to whatever, if you are risky trader. Okay guys, like this you can surely go for upside and downside both the momentum. Okay guys, we can also see the if market will open slightly flat or something. Okay guys, what happened is that if it will came downside, once again it will or otherwise it open flat or something, it will supposingly take here support, then your first target will be this guys, then second target, and you can go for third and fourth target. Okay guys, if it open flat, but possibility is that probability also very much lesser than what we are thinking. Okay guys, if it open flats, okay guys, then you can go for this target in Dow Jones. Okay guys, we can see in Nasdaq also. Okay guys, in Nasdaq also you can see that there are so much volatileness we have seen few weeks ago. Okay guys, right now we can see that it is continuously consolidating. Okay guys, if it opens something here or somewhere here, then it will take support, then support, or it will break it. Okay guys, once again it will break it, then your first target, second target, and third target. Okay guys, otherwise uh, you can see that what happened is that if it opens somewhere flat or something here, okay guys, it open somewhere here, just a second, it opens somewhere here flat. Okay guys, it will take support, then your first target will be this, second target, third target. Okay guys, these are the three target, and you can go for four target too. If it opens somewhere here flat, take resistance, then you can go for this target. Otherwise huge gap down is open, then you can go for it's your own choice, or you can join my Telegram channel also, the AIM Trader. There I will post you if major gap down I am seeing, so I will post you how you have to trade in that. Okay guys, next step is that we can see here what happened is that if it open flat, probability is that it will not open flat, it will definitely gonna gap down only, then also we can discuss. Okay guys, here somewhere came and take a support, then your first target will be your second target and third target. Okay guys, if open flat or something, okay guys, or it will open flat and came down and taking support, then it will majorly act as a resistance from here. Okay guys, I will just draw it for you so you don't have any confusion from here. It will act as a resistance from here. Okay guys, let's see next stock, next index. sorry guys, Russell 3000. Okay guys, we can discuss about Russell 3000. You can see here what happened is that this is the one of the major trend line, but you know that the market will open slightly a gap down only, then also we can draw it. Okay guys, this is the trend line. If slightly what happened, if open a slightly here or something here, then consolidate, continuously consolidate, then breaks, then you can go for your first target, second target will be your third target. Okay guys, now we can discuss in downside. Okay guys, what happened if gap down, market will open gap down, then if it will take somewhere here support or something, or take an resistance. Okay guys, if it take resistance from here, it breaks and take resistance, your first target and second target. Okay guys, these are two target. You can go for further also if you are risky trader. Okay guys, if it will take come downside and take here somewhere support, your first target will be a second target, and you can go for further here. Okay guys, if it opens so much big gap down, then it will take support somewhere here, your first target, second, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in Russell 3000. You can join my Telegram channel also. If very big gap down also open, then also I will post there how you have to trade in index or trade in any stocks, so you can get nicer and you can save your capital. Okay guys, if right now what I am saying is SPX. Okay guys, SPX 500, you can see here, if it open flat or something, then its first target will be somewhere, it takes support here, then your first target, second target, you can go for third and fourth target guys. These are the four target for upside momentum. If it opens something huge gap down, then you can see that it will take once again resistance, it came downside up till here. Okay guys, what we will discuss is that if open this much gap down, then what you have to do is, right now it came and take support somewhere here, your first target, second target, then fourth, fifth, and you can go for further like this. Okay guys, this type of, if it came and taken resistance from here, your first target, second target and third target, like this you have to see the market momentum. Okay guys, you can join my Telegram channel, I will update there. Okay guys, in we also see that BKX banking sector is very much going downside. I have told you also, I will go in daily time frame also and show you that it is going the upside momentum. I have told you this is the trend line, this is already broken. So what is our first target is somewhere here or here somewhere. Okay guys, second target is here and third target. Okay guys, like this you have to see. Okay guys, we can see in gold and silver sector, you can know that I have told you, whenever index will come downside or stock is falling, so gold and silver automatically goes upside, and in also in crude oil also. Okay guys, these are the thing where gold and silver is majorly thing, because of Ukraine and war, Russian war is going on. That's why the crude oil also going upside momentum, doing upside momentum. Okay guys, I will also see that thing also. Okay guys, this is the one thing that it will maybe open very big gap up. Okay guys, somewhere here also all-time high also it can be touched today. Okay guys, we don't go for trade here. Okay guys, we can see the Tesla. I have told you that it will take resistance from here, then it will come downside, and also I have told you if it takes support from somewhere here or it will breaks this, you can definitely achieve this target. You can see that definitely reach 2 to 3 times taken continuously resistance. You can see here I have told you it will take on resistance first, second and third target. You can see that yes, on that date only, slightly below only our third target is reached, slightly just missed. Okay guys, nothing will happen. Right now it is continuously consolidating only. So what our analysis will be is that because of a pandemic, you know that, not a pandemic, because of war. Okay guys, sorry for that, because of war, you know that the index and all are coming downside. So probability is that uh, stock also come downside. So right now we can discuss that if it will open somewhere here, it will definitely take your resistance here. You are shortly for intraday, first, second target, third target, and your fourth target. Okay guys, if it opens here, somewhere here only or here only, then you can see the price action. Then you can, this is somewhere here it opens. Okay guys, it is price action. First target will be, you can reach your second and third target. Okay guys, I will simply explain you the price action. Okay guys, like this only, you can see that first it makes like this, then it will came down one side, then it will break this line. This is the price action. You can see that if it will break this high, then you can go for upside momentum. If uh, this is not exactly the price action, but I am telling you in roughly. Okay guys, if it goes one side, this is the swing. Okay guys, this is the swing. After this will be breaked, you can go for downside, you can go for put, and you can go for call here. Okay guys, after breaking this line, after breaking this line, you can go for upside. After breaking this line, you can go for downside momentum. Okay guys, like this you have to see the do the analysis or whatever you want to. Okay guys, right now you can see that it is acting as a resistance only. So right now it will open gap down, then it will act as a resistance. This is the major resistance area. Okay guys, in Apple also we can see, in Apple also it is continuously consolidating right now. So this is the major resistance area or supporting area, whatever you think, because buyer are so much dominated here. So it may be it will come open here somewhere gap down. It will definitely take resistance and achieve your here 140 or 139 something. Okay guys, you can definitely see that. Okay guys, crude oil also we can see. Okay guys, we can see the crude oil. uh, we can see this. Okay guys, you can see that how much big gap up open. Okay guys, right now it almost touches all-time high is 138. Okay guys, 138 means it's all-time high only. Okay guys, this is the very big momentum has been made in by this. Okay guys, this is right now what is it's doing is price action. This is the buyers defending area. It will always buyers defending area. Okay guys, here this is the buyers defending area. Okay guys, I will just mark it. This is the buyers defending area. Okay guys, whenever it will touches here, so buyer will take it once again upside momentum. Okay guys, like this. If once again it will break, or supposingly it will break, then it will act as resistance. Then you can go for your first target guys. This is your second target, then you can go for third target too. Okay guys, like this you have to see. I have used 15-minute chart, so you can go for your 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I will show you in 5 minutes too. Okay guys, right now it is continuously seller are selling here because they also know that the war is going on, but pricing are too much high. So right now whoever bites somewhere here, okay guys, here somewhere here they have bite. You can see that whenever open within 5 minutes all the buyer has gone from here, because you can see that how much big this candle is, wick. Okay guys, you call this at a wick. Okay guys, this is wick. So right now it is doing momentum, like it will came downside also. You can see here if it takes support, so you can go for further also. If it will act as resistance, then you can go for downside momentum also. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. I need your support. Please share with your family and friends. I always tell you I am here for with you. If you don't know anything or you need something to analysis or something which you don't know about it, or you want any specific stock or something to analyze me, so I will do analysis. Please comment and like my video and comment there which you want, so I will make a separate video with that, so you can get it correctly. Okay guys, thank you guys.